Mastering Email Etiquette, CC and BCC. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of professional email writing. We'll focus specifically on two key elements, CC and BCC. These are crucial tools in email communication, and knowing how to use them correctly can make a big difference in your professional interactions. Let's get started. Before we move into practical scenarios, let's make sure we understand what CC and BCC mean. CC stands for carbon copy. When you add someone's email address to the CC field, it means you want them to see the email, even though they are not the primary recipient. Everyone can see who has been CC'd. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. This also allows you to send the email to someone who isn't the primary recipient. However, the other recipients won't know this person has received the email. Understanding these functions is the first step to knowing when to use them. Now that we understand what CC and BCC mean, let's explore some scenarios where they are commonly used. Scenario 1. Sending weekly reports. Imagine you're sending a weekly report to your manager. You want your colleagues to also see this information, but they don't need to take any action. In this case, you would CC your colleagues. Scenario 2. Sharing sensitive information. Now, suppose you want to share a sensitive update with your team but also need to inform an upper management member without drawing attention. You can BCC the upper management member. Scenario 3. Sending meeting invitations. When sending a meeting invitation, you might CC attendees but BCC others who need to be aware of the meeting but aren't required to attend. The key to identifying when to use CC or BCC depends on your communications goal and sensitivity. Use CC when you want transparency among all the recipients. Use BCC when you want to maintain privacy for some recipients or prevent an overcrowded reply thread. And that's a wrap for today's lesson. Understanding how and when to use CC and BCC in email communication can help you navigate professional scenarios with ease. Practice these concepts and you'll soon master the art of professional email writing. Thanks for joining us, and happy learning!